Hi, I'm Roxana from WpEstate, and in this video I will show how to manage the similar listings section in the WP Residence theme. The similar listings section will show in the property page, and it will display properties with similar categories according to your settings. In this video you will learn how to manage this section for the properties that have the default property template and for properties that have a custom property template assigned. First, I will show the details for the default property template. The settings are managed from Theme Options, so I will go to Admin, I will go to WP Residence Options Property page. Here you'll have this section, similar listings, and the settings here will apply for properties that have the default property template and for properties that have a custom property template assigned. I will start with the first option, which is the number of similar listings in the property page. This is a property page with the default template. You will see that there are 4 properties displayed. You can change it to 3. On refresh, you will see that I now have 3 similar listings, or you can change to any number that you want. Next, you'll have the option to select the number of cards per row. When the page does not have a sidebar, you can choose between 3 or 4. So I will change here back 4 listings, and I will set this option to 4 as well. I will save changes, and on refresh I will have 4 listings displayed. Going back to theme options, next you'll have the option to select the taxonomy for the similar listings. This means that in the property page you'll have displayed only the properties that will have the same category selected here. At this moment we have action category selected. If removed, in property page you will have similar listings with the same property category, property action category and property city. You will have the option to display properties that have the same category, action category, city and area. I will select action category and city, and I will save the change. Now in my property you can see that all have sales, the same as the listing where they are displayed. Action category is sales and the city is Jersey City. In the cards you will see that all have sales and Jersey City assigned. I will go back to theme options. Next you will have the option to select the similar listing order. You will have these options available. I will choose price low to high and save changes. Now on refresh, the similar listings will be ordered based on price. Going back to theme options, the last option will be to select the display format. You can choose between grid or list. Currently we have grid selected, but you can also select list. I will save changes, and now on refresh, the similar listing section will be in list view. The property card type in the similar listing section will be the one set in theme options. So I will go back to theme options, and the card type can be managed from property card design. Here you can change the unit card type, and this will apply globally to all sections in your site. If you do not want to display a similar listing section in your property pages, you will need to go to theme options, and depending on the layout that you use for your properties, accordion or tabs, you will need to go to the section and move the similar listing element in the disabled box. For my property I use accordion, so I moved similar listings in disabled. I will save changes, and on refresh the similar listing section will not show anymore. If you use the tabs layout, you can do the same. You'll have here the similar listing element, and you need to move it in the not visible section. These are the options available for the similar listing section in the default property page. Next I will show the settings available for property pages that have a custom property template assigned. I will go back to property page, similar listings. From this section, only the option to select taxonomies for similar listings and select similar listings order will apply for the custom property template. The rest will need to be set directly from the custom template page. This is a property created with a custom property template with Elementor. The similar section will show here. And to change settings, you will need to edit with Elementor the custom property template assigned. For that, you will need to hover over Edit with Elementor button. You will see here the custom template page assigned to this property. You will need to open it, or you can go to Pages and look for the custom property template page and edit it with Elementor. When the custom property template is used, you will need to add the similar listings widget for the section to be available in the property page. In this property, I already have the widget added. We used property page similar listings section, and next I will show the settings available. You'll have the option to hide the title for the section. Here you can add a new title for the section. By typing words here, the default title will be changed. Next, you'll have the option to change the number of items that will be displayed in the section. You can change it to 4 or any other number. Here you'll have the option to set the number of items per row. You can set it to be 2 or 3. And the last option is to set the property card type. You can choose between default and all the 6 other types. You can choose here any option that you want. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.